Hey guys, how's it going? How to find my iPhone grayed out problem on iPhone. So, go back to your screen, right? And then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to your settings, right? Move along to the general, and then basically make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version, right? And then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down and click transfer reset iPhone, and you're gonna reset, and by resetting right here location and privacy, that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to the main settings, and then basically what you're gonna do, go ahead to the screen time. In the screen time, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the content and privacy restrictions and make sure that you toggle this one off, and that should fix it. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to the main settings, go to the facial recognition and passcode, enter your passcode, right? And then basically scroll a little bit down, you're gonna be able to see the settings for stolen device protection, right? Something like that. And basically right here, stolen device protection, and make sure that you toggle this one off, and that should fix your problem. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.